The Rapid Reel Diameter Fork and Gauge Kit will allow you to rapidly determine the diameter of a reel without backing the bed knife off. Insert the fork, press it against the shaft, hold the fork approximately perpendicular to the shaft. Insert the gauge starting with the thin end of the flange between the outside of the reel blade edge and the shoulder of the fork. Rotate the gauge counterclockwise until the flange of the gauge becomes jammed between the reel and the shoulder of the fork. The left edge of the fork position will indicate the reel diameter. Rotating the gauge is now jammed between the reel and the shoulder. Each graduation represents 0.10 of an inch. So this fork indicated that the diameter of this reel is 5.0 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 thousandths of an inch. 5.060. This is a new OEM Toro reel. This is an old OEM Toro reel. Going to insert the fork, hold it approximately vertical, insert the gauge starting at the thin end of the gauge flange, rotate it until the gauge becomes jammed between the reel and the fork shoulder. It's now jammed and it's indicating that the reel diameter is 4.500 inches. Available from turftoolsusa.com.